Hello, welcome back to the channel. Let us do this money weight problem step by step. Question says, Johnny, James, and Jenny shared $63 as follow. Johnny got a third of James, and James got twice as much as Jenny. How much did Jenny get? From this question, we don't know the amount that Johnny, James, and Jenny got. But what we have the total amount that they shared and the relationship in which they divide the amount. But from this relationship, we can direct know Jenny is the one who gets the smallest amount. Now, we are going to give a letter to the amount that Jenny got. Let amount that Jenny got is equal to x. But what they said here, James got twice as much as Jenny. This means that James got twice of Jenny. This means 2x. Also, they tell us John got a third of James. So, John got a third of James means multiply by 2x. This is equal to 2x over 3. The total amount they shared is $63. So total is equal to $63. The question is, how much did Jenny get? Jenny got how much? When we take the amount that Jenny got plus the amount of James plus the amount of Johnny, we get $63. That is x plus 2x plus 2x over 3. This is equal to 63. X plus 2x, we got 3x plus 2x over 3. This is equal to 63. I'm going to put as over 1. The LCM of 1 and 3 is 3. 3 divided by 1 is 3. Multiply by 3. We got 9x plus 3 divided by 3 is 1. Multiply by 2x. We got 2x. This is equal to 63. 9x plus 2x. We got 11x over 3. This is equal to 63. Multiply by 3 throughout. By 3, 1. By 3, 1. 11x. This is equal to 189. I'm going to divide by 11. I'm going to divide by 11. By 11, 1. By 11, 1. 189 divided by 11. We get 17 decimal 1 8 1 8. This is repeating. That is approximately to 17 decimal 1 8. This is dollars. That is the value of x. The question says, how much did Jenny got? But initially, we let the amount of Jenny equal to x, and we got x equal to 17.18 dollars. So Jenny got 17.18 dollar. This is approximation. I hope you understand. For more questions, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.